Hello everyone. Okay, so this is a quick tutorial on how to claim in Hex.Business. So let me go from the start. So when you initially come to the website, you're going to be on this page, and then to get to the claim page or the freeze page, you click that button in the top right hand corner. Sorry, I'm going a bit quickly. Okay, and this takes you here. So at the moment, it's not showing how much you're earning. Yeah, but let's go over to the X Mobile chat. But from the chat, payments, where is it? Let me just read through this entire thing because I think there's some important notice here. So this is a notification about one of the admins that they had on. It says, everyone, we found out today Lone Wolf, the admin, was a scammer. He has been removed from the group with immediate effect. Do not trust anyone with this handle. I believe he was trying to shill HXS, which is a new DApp they have coming out in Hex.Business, which we said only yesterday we wouldn't release until a minimum of a few weeks. Did I read that right? It did sound right, but I think that's what it says there. So it says, do not trust Lone Wolf, he's a scammer. Okay, moving on. The claim button is open. Please claim your dividends at 0, 100, I don't know how you say this, like 00 UTC each day/night. You can calculate how much in dividends you receive by checking the total frozen Hexi balance and then working out your percent of the freeze pool, then using the percent of the total dividend pool. Okay, I'll leave you guys to figure that one out. But anyway, so if we go back over here, I'm in London, so this time UTC in London time is about 1 a.m. So what I do, I normally claim in the mornings when I get up, which is about 7 or 8 a.m. I think you have to make your claims daily. Okay, so I've already done the claim here. I was trying to do it live before in another video, but it was a mess. So I had to start this whole thing over again. Sorry. So at the moment there seems to be an issue. It's not showing your earnings as yet. I think someone has told me that they'll be working on this. So, but when it's your time, yeah, you can work it out here and just put that in in Google, and it will show you when it's your time. If you're still up, you claim, or you claim when you wake up, like me. So you just hit the claim button, and your MetaMask will pop up, and you'll need, of course, we can't do a claim again because we've already done a claim. So your MetaMask, yeah, so I'm getting an error because there's nothing to claim. So you would get the pop-up, you click the confirm button, and then you would see, it would give you this little notification that your claim was a success. And here is how you find where you claim. So yes, I was saying before I was thinking that you would choose which your dividends are paid out in ETH, Hex, and USDC. So before I was saying that you should probably will have to choose which one you want to claim, but that's not how it works. You will be getting ETH, you will be getting Hex, and you will be getting USDC coins, which I think is really awesome. Okay, so once you've done the claim, then let's go back to our wallet. It's taking a little while to load up. Okay, so you will see your Ethereum balance here will increase with the amount that you have earned. You will see in your USDC token, you see this account have earned 0.007, which is about 1 cent. And we have also earned some Hex, but she had some X here before, so that's why it's earned. To see the exact amount you have earned, you can go over to go.hex.win/transfer, or when you come to go.hex.win, you just click the transfer and you will see that after the claim, she received 1,043 Hex coins. So that is how you check to see how much your payout is. And you earn ETH, you earn Hex, and you earn USDC coins. Okay, I'm going to end the video here. I like to keep them nice and short, and it's 6 minutes now. Any questions? Just click the link below, hit me up on Telegram, and I'll be happy to answer. But I hope that's clear. Okay, bye for now.